This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Setting up the design rules. The PCB editor is a rules-driven environment, meaning that as you perform actions that change the design, such as placing tracks, moving components, or auto-routing the board, the software monitors each action and checks to see if the design still complies with the design rules. If it does not, then the error is immediately highlighted as a violation. Setting up the design rules before you start working on the board allows you to remain focused on the task of designing, confident in knowledge that any design errors will immediately be flagged for your attention. Design rules are configured in the PCB rules and constraints editor dialog as shown in this image. So design, click rules. Now the rules are divided into 10 categories, which can then be further divided into design rules types.